Good morning, guys. So today is a Friday. I don't even know what date it is. It's the 19th. Very random day. I just decided I would vlog today. It's gonna be a productive day. I want to get some stuff done. Just like a very average day where I don't have school. I feel like I always vlog when I have school or like I'm doing something really fun, but I want to show you guys a very casual day. So today's plan, we're going on a walk in a little bit to get some Starbucks. I also want to work out, get ready to film some TikToks. I need to go to the post office, drop off some Depop orders. I think we're gonna order some Postmates for dinner tonight. I don't really know, but just kind of gonna see where the day takes us. A lot of stuff to do, nothing too concrete, but should be interesting. So anyway, like I said, right now we're going for a little Starbucks walk, so let's go. I already ate breakfast, but I'm still hungry, so I'm gonna make the other half of my bagel. My bagel looks a little sad.
It's my beauty.
There's a huge hole in it.
I know, kind of a ripoff.
Yeah, it's very warm out.
Wearing a puffer jacket.
If Ella says it's warm, it's warm.
Twins.
Yay! My band is so ugly, it's
You
ridiculous.
should get one of the gold ones. They're like 10 bucks.
It's like, this is the Nike one.
Oh. Yum.
Catch us at Starbucks every single morning.
Okay, somehow it is already like 1:30. I'm getting ready because I want to film TikToks. Honestly, that's literally the only reason why. I've realized that like I only put on makeup on the weekends and I need to start getting ready during like the weekdays because it's Friday today. I don't usually get ready on Fridays, but you know what? I want to feel like productive and not ugly, so this is how I'm gonna do it. I posted a TikTok last night that like kind of did pretty well. It was like a bra recommendation, so random, but I feel like that could be my niche on TikTok, so I want to make more like fashion favorites recommendation videos. Okay, here we go. Let's see. Actually, I think I'm gonna make some food first before I start TikToking. Look how good that looks. Wow. Okay, I'm very excited to eat this. Okay, here is the little TikTok setup. Got my phone right here and then all of my things. Basically, this TikTok is just like what my favorite jeans are right now, like where they're from. Kind of basic, but thought it'd be a good TikTok. Yeah, I guess I'll just take you through the process of filming it. I'm not really a TikToker, but like I'm trying. Okay, one TikTok done. Now I want to do one about like Instagram poses, so I'm gonna set that up. It's like 3:30 now and the post office closes at 4:30, so I just need to get this done before then, and then I can mail my Depop packages. Guys, if you don't follow me on Depop, go follow me there. I'm selling some clothes right now. Okay, second TikTok is done. Now to the post office. Okay, post office time. Let's go. Oh my god, I'm never gonna be able to turn here. Shoot. Eek. Oh my god, that was really embarrassing. I just saw like 5 people I knew and they all saw me getting too scared to turn. Ah! Okay, be right back. Okay, I'm treating myself to a McDonald's Diet Coke for that traumatic experience. Hi, can I get a medium Diet Coke, please? That's it. Yes! Guys, you don't understand, McDonald's Diet Coke is like literally superior. It's so good. Thank you. Have a good one. Yay! Thank God. So for dinner tonight, we're gonna Postmate some sugarfish, just treat ourselves a little bit. Really treating myself a lot today, clearly. But today's video is sponsored by Postmates, my favorite delivery app. Love Postmates, great when you're in a rush and do not have time to make food. Or like I said, you just wanna treat yourself. Also, I have a special deal for you guys. If you use my promo code down below, you can get $150 in delivery fee credit for the first 7 days if you are a new customer. So be sure to check that link out. Trust me, you're gonna wanna do it, it's so worth it. And once again, huge shout out to Postmates. It's like literally my favorite food delivery app. Whenever I want food delivered and I don't feel like leaving the house, Postmates is my go-to. It's the easiest to use. And they also have so many restaurants that are like exclusively on Postmates. Sugarfish is actually exclusively on Postmates, which is why I always Postmate Sugarfish when I want to like treat myself for something nice. So yeah, be sure to check that code out down below, and I think our food should be here pretty soon. Yummy. This is heavy. Ooh, that looks really good. Thanks, Postmates.
Thanks, You're making me not a starved child. Ooh, baby.
Whoa, whoa. Phone eats first, guys. Guys, use my code down below for $150 in delivery credit for our new customers.
It's quiet. You lying.
That was the worst dancing I've ever seen in my life.
I give it an 8 out of 10.
8 out of 10?
Yeah.
That was an 8?
Yeah.
Like maybe a 0.8.
Whoa.
Sorry, I was slipping around like a freaking salamander. Okay, another weird thing.
Why would a salamander be slipping?
Go off, please. Okay guys, it's about 11:30 now. I'm gonna go to bed, but hope you guys enjoyed this video, and once again, huge shout out to Postmates for sponsoring. You can use my code ELLA for $150 in delivery fee credit for new customers only for the first 7 days. I will have a link for all that and all the info down below if you want to check that out. You definitely should. Postmates is my favorite food delivery app. It's the best way to get food quickly and efficiently delivered to your doorstep. Also, as a college student, it's kind of a game changer because I don't always have time or feel like cooking. Also, if you are not already subscribed, be sure to go ahead and do that. I post new videos every single Saturday. I also have an Instagram and a TikTok, both at Ella_Elbells. So be sure to follow me both of those, and I will see you guys next week. Bye!